Long before TikTok, AirPods, and all the tech we obsess over today, Santa was grinding the old-school way. No shortcuts, no drones, no AI. Just one man, a frozen beard, and an entire world of gifts to deliver. Picture it. Snowstorms hitting him head-on, gifts stacked higher than his stress levels, and Santa pushing through the night like the most overworked delivery driver on Earth. He was same-day shipping before same-day shipping even existed, and he didn't get tracking numbers or customer support. Then one night, in the middle of yet another brutal struggle, he discovered something magical: the Reindeer Squad. Rudolph, Blitzen, Dasher, the whole crew. In an instant, Santa went from a one-man operation to having a full Formula One pit team behind him. But convenience didn't mean comfort. Every year turned into a battle with the weather. Snow too thick to see through, wind strong enough to flip the sleigh, ice acting like it came straight out of a Mario Kart track. The reindeer slipped and strained themselves. Santa ended each mission bruised, exhausted, and dangerously close to burning out. And here's the part no one ever talks about. Once the world celebrated Christmas morning, Santa and the reindeer were completely drained. Months of recovery followed. While everyone else enjoyed warm drinks and festive rest, the North Pole team was basically in rehabilitation from the chaos of delivering joy. But Santa's heart never wavered. His love for children, his commitment to keeping Christmas alive, those never faded. So one year, he made a decision that changed everything. Enough. We're leveling up. Enter Santa 2.0. AI-powered logistics. Drone fleets managing deliveries across the world. Autonomous sleigh systems that made navigating storms safer than ever. The North Pole evolved into a full technology hub. Still cozy, but a whole lot smarter. And the reindeer? Their days of pulling the sleigh were over. They stepped into new digital roles, each one essential. Rudolph became the head of navigation. Dasher led drone operations. Dancer coordinated fleet logistics. Prancer managed performance and efficiency. Vixen handled cybersecurity. Comet took over data analytics and tracking. Cupid focused on wellness and morale. Donner supervised equipment and maintenance. Blitzen oversaw safety and risk. Deliveries transformed. No more injuries, no more burnout. Just smooth, precise, efficient Christmas operations. For the first time ever, Santa and the reindeer could actually enjoy Christmas themselves, relaxing, resting, and finally living the holiday joy they spent centuries giving to others. And the magic of Christmas? Still intact, stronger even, because Santa didn't use technology to replace the tradition, he used it to protect it. And that's exactly the message the built environment industry needs. AI isn't here to replace engineers, foremen, or site crews. It's here to protect them, reduce risk, cut down hazards, and make work smarter instead of heavier. If Santa can modernize, so can we. Here's to bringing Santa 2.0 energy into construction. Smarter, safer, and still full of magic.